Hey guys, Funk Roberts from over40alpha.com, and today I've got an alpha shred workout for you, body weight only, but this workout is for those guys in their 40s, 50s, and 60s that are in pretty good shape, you know, the guys who think, you know what, I'm in pretty good shape, I've been going to the gym for a while, now I need something just a little more challenging. So today I've got a 5 exercise circuit I'm gonna take you through, follow along style. It's a full body workout, but of course we wanna burn fat while we build muscle, so we're gonna do that with this workout. So it's 5 exercises. Each exercise is doing 30 seconds of work, as many reps as possible, followed by 15 seconds rest, so not too long in between. Because the way this workout is put together, you're gonna burn calories during, plus you're gonna burn calories after due to the afterburn effect. So build muscle, burn fat, get into amazing shape, over 40. Let me take you through this workout right now. Let's get it done. Okay guys, so alpha shred workout, 30 seconds of work followed by only 15 seconds rest with these exercises. We're gonna start off with the push-up shoulder tap in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right, so push up, alternating shoulder tap. So we got this upper body, and the shoulder tap actually engages the core. All the way down, back up. Try to keep those elbows close to the body. When you're doing the push-up, exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Good. Try to go a little bit faster if you can. Down and up. Lead with the hips. Get that chest close. Ooh, good work. Good job. Okay, 15 seconds rest. Now we go to alternating side to side lunge and squat. So we're combining 2 movements. Very important. So check this out. Starting 2, 1, here we go. Side lunge, and then squat. Okay, here we go. Side lunge. Good. Make sure that your foot is pointed forward in the lunge. Okay, and hip hinge at the back, and then go down as far as you can. Side lunge. So now we're hitting the adductors, the abductors, the glutes, the quads, the hammies. It's all getting hit. Push off with that front leg. Push off with that front leg. And down. Good work. Feel that in the legs. Okay. Deep through your nose, out through your mouth. Next exercise, mountain climbers. Okay. We want to go driving our knees to our chest, so our legs are going to be a little bit fatigued, and our upper body is going to be fatigued here. Gotta move the hand down. So drive the knees to the chest. Keep those hands nice and open so you get a good base. Breathe, breathe, drive, drive. Keep that back straight. Keep going, keep going. Good work, good work. Deep through your nose, out through your mouth. This is alpha shred, so we're burning calories here. Next exercise are kick-ups. This is where it really starts to get to you here. So here, again, my arms are screwed into the ground and I'm alternating the kick. You wanna dip at your hips when you do this exercise. Keep the core tight and pretend there's someone in front of you. You're trying to kick. Let's go faster. Come on. If you have to go slower, no problem. This is speed I want you at. Good work. You guys are awesome. One more exercise. You know what it is. It's a burpee. And again, we're doing this exercise with no push-up because we want to go fast. Okay? Here we go. Down. Try to get those hands down first. Okay? Don't bend down. Squat down. Thrust out. Breathe. 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 You can even do this if you want. There we go. I'm just gonna jump. Back fast, up fast. Back fast, up fast. Keep going. Good work. Great job. I'll see you in 1 second to let you know what to do next. There you go, guys. Over 40 alpha shred workout. This is a perfect workout that you can do again to build muscle while burning fat using your body weight only. So no excuses. You can do that anywhere, anytime. You saw I just used a small space and small area. Now, if you like that workout and you're a guy over 40 who wants follow along workouts, nutrition specifically designed for guys in their 40s to boost testosterone, burn body fat, give you awesome energy. If you want recovery strategies, mindset strategies, and of course, a support team that's unbelievable, then click the link. There's an eye that popped up or the link in there and join my Over 40 Alpha Brotherhood for 30 days, absolutely free, guys. It's absolutely free. Go through the first month, go get all the workouts, the app, everything you need. So listen, I want you in there because I know that as we get to 40, 50, 60, 70, we need workouts, we need nutrition, and we need a program that's designed specifically for us to maximize the testosterone, burn fat, stay lean, stay healthy, and get it done. So do that as well. Anyways, please leave your comments below. Let me know how you like that workout, how you did with the workout. Like this, share this, subscribe to this channel. And like I said before, guys, train hard, get in the best shape you can, and I'll see you in the next workout. Get it done.